So in this video I'm gonna show you why vertically opposite angle is equal to each other. I am also gonna provide you proof. But first thing first, I need you to understand something first in order to fully understand what I'm gonna say about this proof next afterward. So what I need you to know is that the fact that the angle of C1 is right here is equal to the angle of B plus angle of A. So why is that? Why do A plus B is equal to C1? So we need to know that the sum of the internal angle of a triangle is 180 degree. Let's say this right here. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Alright. Now if we have a look here, that there's a line here. Right. Now this much is 180 because it's a straight line. And in order to find C1, we need to subtract C2, which is right here. If we see here, A plus B plus C is 180, so we just need to subtract the C2, so we subtract this out, and we're left with A plus B. A plus B is equal to C1, and that's why. I hope you get it. Now let's move on to our old proof here. So let's imagine that there's a triangle here. Yeah. So what we know is that in order to find angle I1, which is here, we need to take A plus C, right? So I1 to A plus C, angle of A plus C, my bad. And the same with I2, we need to take A plus C2. So I2, angle of A plus angle of C. If you see here that they are equal to the same thing, is this one is the same. So if they are the same, you can just write it as I1 is equal to angle of I2, and that's exactly what we're looking for.